Stop wasting time on Windows setup. Meet Kudu, a powerful, free, and open source tool that can update your programs and drivers, clean up system junk, wipe out Windows bloatware, and even optimize your system for gaming. Go to the Google and search Kudu. Now, go to the official website. Download the latest version. Run the setup file, complete the installation, and then launch the app. When you open Kudu, you're greeted by a clean, modern dashboard. Right away, you can see your real-time CPU, memory, and disk usage, alongside your completed scan history and overall computer health score. Let's start with Kudu's core superpower, updating your software. Click on Software in the menu, and then select Software Updates. Kudu will automatically scan your installed applications and cross-reference them with package managers, such as Chocolatey, Winget, and other supported package managers to identify available updates. Once the scan finishes, Kudu categorizes the updates into major updates, minor updates, and patches. Simply select the programs you want to update, click Update Selected, and Kudu will automatically download and install them in the background. Keep in mind, some applications don't allow automatic updates through package managers. If an update fails, you'll just need to quickly download it manually from its official website. Next up are driver updates. Keeping your drivers current is critical for hardware stability, but doing it manually is a nightmare. Open Driver Updates. Click Scan Drivers, and Kudu will securely check Windows Update for any newer driver packages available for your hardware. Review the detected hardware names, select the ones you want to update, and click Update and Clean. Kudu will install the new drivers and remove the outdated driver packages. Now let's talk about clearing up clutter. The Installers section lists all your installed programs, showing their size, publisher, version, and when you installed them. It even helpfully flags applications you haven't opened in over 90 days. When you select an unwanted program and click Uninstall, Kudu runs the normal uninstaller, but then goes a step further by searching for and purging leftover files and folders. To clear out Windows default clutter, go to the Bloatware Remover, also known as debloat. Click Scan, and Kudu detects pre-installed Windows software like Bing News, Bing Weather, Clipchamp, or random gaming apps. Be careful here. Only select the apps you are absolutely sure you don't need. If you remove something by accident, don't panic. You can reinstall most of them later from the Microsoft Store. If you're a gamer, you'll love Kudu's built-in game mode. When you open this section, you'll find settings to temporarily pause non-essential Windows services, close heavy background processes, free up RAM, block notifications, and optimize system network settings. You can turn this on manually or turn on Auto Detect. With Auto Detect active, game mode automatically kicks in the moment you launch a game. Once you close your game, Kudu automatically disables game mode, so all your background services return to normal. Over time, Windows piles up temporary files and caches that slow down performance. Head over to the Cleaner section and click Scan. Kudu will search temporary system files, browser and application caches, gaming logs, and broken shortcuts. Review the categories and click Clean. Right below that, we have the Registry Optimizer. This scans for broken application parts, leftover uninstalled entries, and incorrect file associations. To keep you safe, Kudu automatically creates a registry backup before applying any fixes, but you should still review the items before clicking Fix. And that's Kudu, the ultimate free all-in-one suite to update, clean, and optimize your Windows PC. If this video helped you clean up your machine, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more Windows and tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments how much space Kudu freed up for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.